Do you ever say to yourself, I wish I could make my X2 stronger. I wish I had a higher wind rating. We've got the solution for you. One extra cable in each bay, and you get a significantly higher wind rating on your X2. So all of the Eureka X2 tents are wind rated, but if you need a little extra wind resistance, you can add a wind kit and get a substantially higher wind rating on the tent. For Eureka, all you have to do is attach another cable right to the bottom of this short cable, one in each bay, and these are all the same cables. This is a 15-foot. Take the exact same cable, that purple, and you're going to bring it down, and it's going to go to the inside shackle on the cross. You can use this same cross with or without the extra wind kit. And you can see how this moves in and out. That allows it to attach very easily. That's all you have to do to get an extra wind rating on your tent. With just a few extra cables, you get a much higher wind resistance for your X2, making it safer for windy days, as well as making those building and safety inspectors happy. For all your tent and shelter needs, remember, above all, Eureka makes it special.